Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar on July 13th announced that the state will establish India's first government-driven artificial intelligence university and set up an AI hub as an incubation center for AI research and development by startups, companies and other innovators, reaffirming Karnataka's ambition to become a global leader in responsible artificial intelligence. He made the announcements while inaugurating Google I/O Connect India 2026 at the Bengaluru International Exhibition Center in Bengaluru. He said the proposed AI university will develop world-class AI talent, promote advanced research and strengthen collaboration between academia, industry and the government. Addressing technology leaders, innovators, entrepreneurs, developers, researchers and policymakers from India and around the world, D.K. Shivakumar described AI as the defining technological revolution of the present generation, comparable to the steam engine, electricity, the internet and mobile technology. He emphasized that Bengaluru is India's technology capital and one of the world's leading innovation ecosystems, while Karnataka aims to become one of the world's leading centers for responsible AI. Highlighting the state's strengths, the Chief Minister stressed Karnataka contributes nearly 40% of India's software exports, while Bengaluru is home to more than 17,000 startups and thousands of global capability centers. He asserted that the state's goal is to become an AI native state using AI responsibly to improve governance, education, healthcare, agriculture, citizen services and the competitiveness of small businesses. D.K. Shivakumar praised Google for its more than 2-decade partnership with Karnataka and said products such as Search, Android, YouTube, Maps, Chrome, Gmail and Google Play have transformed how Indians access knowledge, conduct business and interact with government services. Inviting Google to strengthen its partnership with Karnataka, he proposed collaboration in developing AI solutions for education, healthcare, agriculture, climate, resilience, urban mobility and governance. He also outlined 5 focus areas: developing AI tools for key sectors, supporting startups solving India's challenges, expanding AI learning opportunities for students, making Karnataka a global laboratory for responsible AI and strengthening Google's long-term commitment to the state's technology ecosystem. The Chief Minister also announced that Karnataka will continue expanding its digital infrastructure, including data centers to support AI innovation, cloud computing, hyperscale computing, global capability centers and next-generation digital services. He reiterated that the government will further strengthen the startup ecosystem, encourage collaboration between academia, industry and the government and position Karnataka as a global destination for AI innovation, advanced computing research, data centers and digital infrastructure. Concluding his address, D.K. Shivakumar urged developers to build boldly, entrepreneurs to dream big, researchers to continue innovating and students to never stop learning. He said Karnataka will continue shaping the future of technology while ensuring AI remains innovative, inclusive and trusted. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.